be alive. We all have sweet craving and everyone loves sweet. Recently I baked some cookies. They are without any oil, butter and sugar. I've used banana as a natural substitute of sugar. I love them because they were so tasty. They are very good to satisfy sweet craving. I hope you'll enjoy this recipe. So let's start. I'm using all the healthy ingredients for this recipe. I have some dark chocolate chip, 1 tablespoon tahini. Tahini is a very good source of protein and fat. Some dry berries, 1 tablespoon cinnamon powder, 2 tablespoon peanut butter and 1 banana. So we'll start the process by grinding oats and make a powder. Here in a big bowl I'm adding oats. Now I'm adding peanut butter. Tahini. Tahini is made of sesame seeds. I'm adding cinnamon powder. Here I am adding mashed banana. After adding mashed banana, I'll keep stirring. Here goes some dried berries. Dried berries and dark chocolate chip will give a nice flavor and taste to these cookies. I did this process of stirring for 3 to 4 minutes and I kept the consistency very solid, as you can see here in the video. So on a baking tray, I have put the baking sheet, and now I'll make small balls from this mixture and then press them in cookie shape. So here you can see the first cookie. I made around 7 to 10 cookies. I love dark chocolate, so I have topped up these cookies with some more chocolate chip. This is dairy-free chocolate, so it's not that bad. Before baking, this is how cookies were looking. I'll bake them for 30 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Flip them over in between. you can see that they are so soft, chewy, and nicely cooked. I hope you enjoy this video and you'll try the recipe. Please subscribe my channel for more videos on healthy eating.